Right.
Okay.
All right, everybody up front. Okay, for the celery, all right, this is going to be a lot different from the onions and the potatoes because it's shaped very differently. So follow along. We're going to cut off the tops and the bottoms, very similar to what we did with the other vegetables. For the bottom of the celery, we're just looking for the part where it turns from green to white. We're just going to cut that white end off. Okay? With me so far? Now, just to make it a little bit easier to chop down, rather than trying to work with a long and slender piece of celery, we're going to cut it down into shorter pieces. So we're just going to cut it into 3, like so. Okay? Now from here, in order to get a small dice, we're going to slice it down lengthwise. Depending on how wide the celery is, you might be able to get away with just slicing it in half. If it's a thicker piece, you might have to slice it a couple of times. So you can do that either the rock chop that I'm showing you here, or you can take the tip of the knife and kind of guide it, slide it down through, whatever is more comfortable. After you've done that, as you might be able to guess, we're going to take that celery and give it a quarter of a turn, okay? And just like we've done before, coming in about a quarter of an inch, coming straight down through the celery. And that is what gives us the small dice. You need enough?
Yeah.
All right, whoever's next on the cutting board, let's go ahead and get that celery chopped down.